Alright, let's try a quick unboxing video here. If you've seen the title, you probably already know that these are Divo Tall Boys. We have the traditional pocket knives, 80s camo carbon version, and the White Mountain Knives titanium version. Probably not going to go over the specs or anything too much. I'm sure everyone's already seen these. Get some, looks like we have some hot sauce in there. Hopefully I don't need to edit that out. Nice microfiber cloth there. TallBoy camo. Decal. Another cloth. Here we are. That's a pretty good looking knife. I dig it. Get your extra parts and decals. The wire clip if you want to use that. Perfect. Try this one. This one has a little popcorn. Like fabric cloth. Gets decals. Get your same extra parts in there. Another cloth. This one is more plain. I mean, it has, let me rephrase that. It's got some nice machining. But I was thinking this one, if I'm going to customize one, this is the one to use. Do my own anodizing. Man, these are some, I like these. Won't go over the specs too much. You know, these are S90V blades. This one is stone washed. This one is, I think that's belt satin machining. That is some pretty nice work. These have nice jimping. If you missed out on these, you really missed out. These are pretty cool. I am happy with this purchase. Thank you very much. Catch you all in the EDC community on better streams than this one, or better videos. Talk to you all later.